Hi there, today I've got another banana bread recipe for you. I did share one a couple of weeks ago, a Biscoff one, and it was very popular. I do have a couple of other ones on my channel, all really nice. My favourite ones being the brown butter banana bread, the Biscoff one, and the raspberry and dark chocolate banana bread is absolutely gorgeous as well, I have to say. Just dark chocolate and raspberries and bananas go so well together. Today I'm going to make a banana and walnut bread, and this is a nice one too. So to get started, I've got some nice soft butter in a bowl. I've got 125 grams, and into here I'm going to add in 125 grams of light brown sugar. Just going to mix this together for about 1 minute till it's nice and soft and fluffy. That's great. Alright, so I've got 2 medium eggs here, put them in there. I've got 3 medium-sized bananas, overripe bananas, and I mashed them up just to save some time. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm going to mix these together. Great, now for my self-raising flour, and I've got 250 grams of self-raising flour. And I've got 75 grams of chopped walnuts. I'm going to hold back about 2 tablespoons. Just want to put some on the top of the banana bread before I put it in the oven. So about that is great. I'm going to fold all this in now. So get everything mixed in there. Go down to the bottom to make sure you get that flour from the bottom. It's hiding there. This is ready now to get into the tin. Just set that to one side. And I'm using a 2-pound loaf tin, and I've lined it with some greaseproof paper. I'm going to get this into my tin now. So get that all in there and just spread it out. You want it right out into the corners. Lovely. And gonna sprinkle on the rest of the walnuts, the chopped walnuts. That's it now, it's ready for the oven, and it's going to take about 50 minutes in the oven. My banana bread has cooled down now. Let's slice into it and have a look inside. It's soft, moist and packed with walnuts, just how I like it. You can see the texture, it's still slightly warm and smells amazing. I can tell you, this is one of those bakes that disappears very fast in our house. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Let me know in the comments what you like in your banana bread. Chocolate chips, walnuts, pecans. Maybe try out one of my other banana bread recipes and see what you think, and let me know too, I'd love to hear from you. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy.
Scrummy.